The past perfect tense is a crucial aspect of English grammar that is commonly used in business communication to describe completed work situations. In this essay, we will explore how the past perfect tense can be effectively utilized in business English with the help of various examples. One common scenario where the past perfect tense is used in business English is when describing actions that occurred before a specific time in the past. For instance, imagine a project manager is providing an update on a completed project to their team. They could say, "By the time the client arrived for the presentation, we had already finalized the report." In this example, the past perfect tense, "had already finalized," is used to indicate that the action of finalizing the report occurred before the specific time when the client arrived. Another situation where the past perfect tense is handy in business English is when explaining the sequence of events that took place in the past. Consider the following example. Once we had signed the contract, we scheduled a meeting with the stakeholders. Here, the past perfect tense, "had signed," is used to show that signing the contract happened before scheduling the meeting. Furthermore, the past perfect tense can also be used to emphasize the completion of an action in the past. For instance, a manager could say, "I had reviewed the proposal thoroughly before presenting it to the board." In this case, the past perfect tense, "had reviewed," highlights that the manager completed the action of reviewing the proposal before the presentation. Additionally, the past perfect tense is handy for expressing regrets or missed opportunities in business English. For example, a sales professional could say, "I wish I had followed up with the client sooner. We might have closed the deal." Here, the past perfect tense, "had followed up," is used to express regret over not completing the action earlier. In conclusion, the past perfect tense is a valuable tool in business English for describing completed work situations, indicating the sequence of events, emphasizing completed actions, and expressing regrets or missed opportunities. By mastering the use of the past perfect tense, ESL students can enhance their business communication skills and effectively convey their ideas in the workplace.